मैं हूं आप लोगों का दोस्त माधव राठी, सीईओ एंड फाउंडर ऑफ स्पार्टस इंग्लिश एकेडमी। अगर आप भी अपने इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का सपना पूरा करना चाहते हैं और फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, तो आज ही जुड़े स्पार्टस इंग्लिश एकेडमी के साथ। अब जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि आज एक इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का कंपटीशन चल रहा है हमारे सभी स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जो अभी करंटली इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कर रहे हैं। तो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपका ये कैंडिडेट जीते, तो जल्दी से लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एक जेन्युइन कमेंट करें। राधे राधे।
Hello everyone, this is Anjali Sharma from Spartans English Academy, and today's my topic is the Chambal Valley or the Chambal region. As you all know, the Chambal is the name of a river which flows in this region. That's why the name of this region after it. The Chambal is famous for various reasons, but you might have seen that in the Bollywood films the Chambal is famous for decades. But it is true that the Chambal is a few decades ago Chambal is the habitat of or residence of the decades, but now this situation is not in present. The reason behind that the Chambal is famous for decades because you know that the water of Chambal has a strong feeling of vegans. It is believed that's why there are so many decades found in this region. On the other hand, on the bank of Chambal, river Chambal, there are lot of mud mounds found in a big area, which provide the shelters to these decades. But now the decades are not found in this region. On the other hand, you would be shocked to know about that every year a lot of youth join the armed forces of India from this region. That's why, because they had a strong feeling for patriotism for their nation. The other bright side of this region is that this is famous for the gazak, which is made by sesame seeds and jaggery, and which is very tasteful and delicious. On the other hand, there are a lot of historical buildings found are there here, like as Kakan Mutt, Mitavli Padavli, or Ishwara Mahadev. It is believed that the building of old parliament is the structure of the old parliament building is taken by the structure of Mitavli Padavli. On the other hand,